In this video we are going to check how our binary option robot can do on a 5 seconds timeline. Let's see what type of win rate we can get. And you find the link below the video if you want to have this binary option robot completely for free yourself.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom! Yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up. Moving on to the better. Okay, yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay. Oh shit, they done let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition.
And just like that, 6 trades, 5 winners, 1 loser, 83%. This is incredible. And this time around I use one of my favorite strategies that I use on smaller time frames, and you can see it do pretty well. So if you like to have this binary option robot yourself, you find a link below the video, and you also can get started today completely for free. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. So with that, have an amazing day.